stuck.
Oh, you meant that kind of firepower.
I have something to show you. The way out. I found a maintenance tunnel.
Yeah, it's been sealed.
Not anymore.
Nope. Fuck that.
Hey, it's either that or you go back out there to face a bunch of badass dudes shooting at you.
All right, give me a boost.
Right behind you, Allison.
Okay.
Travis.
I'm going after Dwyer. There's no way I'm leaving one of our own behind. Get him to safety, okay?
You don't know how many of those fuckers are still crawling around up there. Or if she's even alive.
I'm gonna be fine. Go on.
Well, I'm not letting you go alone.
He won't be.
I'll call for backup as soon as I can.
You don't have to do this.
I know.
You didn't have to come back just for us.
I didn't.
Looks like everybody cleared out.
Unlikely. Lars would never give up.
At least I got you.
Now let us see if you can finish the job.